In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find email addresses on LinkedIn. If you ever need to check which email address is connected to your LinkedIn account, the good news is that LinkedIn makes it fairly easy to find inside your account settings. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can quickly view the email addresses associated with your profile. To get started, open LinkedIn and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main LinkedIn homepage, you should be looking at your feed. This is the default page where you see posts, updates, and content from your network. Starting from the feed is helpful because it gives you a consistent place to begin, no matter what you were doing before. From the top navigation area, click on, meaning this is the profile and account menu, and it gives you access to your personal LinkedIn options. When you open this menu, you'll see several account-related choices. This is where LinkedIn groups the settings that control your profile, account access, and privacy preferences. Next, click on Settings and Privacy. This will take you into the main settings area for your LinkedIn account. If you've never been here before, this section can seem a little packed with options, but don't worry. We're only heading into one specific category. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, look for the Sign In and Security section and click on it. This area contains settings related to how you access your account, including login methods, account protection, and the contact details tied to your sign-in. It's the right place to check anything related to the email used for your LinkedIn account. After that, click on Email Addresses. This is the section where LinkedIn displays the email addresses connected to your account. Here, you can review which email is currently associated with your profile, and depending on your account setup, you may also see additional email addresses that have been added. If you're checking this for account management purposes, it's a good idea to confirm that the email listed here is one you still have access to. That can help prevent login issues later and make account recovery much easier if you ever get locked out. And that's it. That's how to find email addresses on LinkedIn. Just go to your feed, open the Me menu, select Settings and Privacy, head into Sign In and Security, and then open Email Addresses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.